Hey everybody, I'm Mike Gannon from Service Aquatics. We are a koi pond, water garden, water feature company located in Summit, New Jersey. And I wanted to show you guys a real quick sneak peek into a project that we're working on. We're maybe about halfway there, not complete yet, but enough is here to show you guys around a little bit. So let's take a look and I'll show you what we got going on. We're working in Mountainside, New Jersey, and here's our project so far. Partially below ground. It's partially above ground. We have multiple levels inside here. Here's a fish cave. Here's another fish cave right here. It's our skimmer top. We'll be installing lighting as well. We've started putting the coping back on, so you can see we're working on it over on this side. This side we're getting put back down around here. The interior of the pond is basically done in the lower level. Here's the inside of the pond from over here. Our skimming system. The rockwork in the lower pond is really nice and tight. Big spacious cave underneath there. Once the coping is completely installed, we'll fill in underneath here. There's some gaps.
Nobody likes gaps.
So this is nice. It's very nice, but let's take a look up top. Now we're just getting started on the waterfall. Come on inside with me and we'll take a closer look at the waterfall. So this whole area is going to be the waterfall that connects to the pond up there. We got in our lower pieces. We still got a ways to go for the middle area. We have this little path going up to the upper pond. These are some hairpin dangerous turns with forsythia representing great perils coming up this path. Yikes! Here's the upper pond. This is the upper belly. There'll be a bridge crossing over here. Here's the bridge, and that's the waterfall. Rockwork coming along. We got a little gravel in here and our upper waterfall up here, right there, which is also the biofilter. We have our big containers holding all the fish. Check on the fish. Oop, our fishies are looking good. Our frogs are looking good. They just jumped back into the pond. Jumped in the pond when I walked over. The old pond was built with this kind of pile of, looks like rubble. Some of this rock contains really high iron content, and you can literally see the rusty patina on the outside of it. Not the best rock to use for construction. It can actually discolor the water and make it kind of brown. We're switching over from this kind of stone, rusty, high iron, to this kind of stone. Very nice stuff. Pennsylvania, wallstone, slabstone, fieldstone, really beautiful. Lichens and everything growing on it. Great to build waterfalls and ponds. Here's a plant graveyard for a few of the plants and trees we had to rip out for the project. I hate tearing out plants, but sometimes we got to. These two trees were actually blocking the view of the pond, so we wanted to open that up so they can enjoy it from this outdoor living area, which soon enough will be open for them to sit back here and enjoy and actually see the upper belly of their pond. Rest in peace. So that's our sneak peek. I'll be checking in again, but I thought it might be interesting to have a look at where we're kind of at, what it looks like when we're halfway through a project. See you next time.